In this video, we'll show you how to connect QuickBooks to Microsoft Excel. So this is perfect for exporting reports or customizing your data outside of QuickBooks. So first, make sure you log into your QuickBooks online account, and then in here, go to the report sections. And when you see the report in here from the left-hand menu, so choose any reports you want to export. For example, if profit and loss or balance sheets. And then once the report loads, you can click the export icon at the top right corner or click the gear icon and you will see there the export. And after that, you will see here a button for a export to Excel. So QuickBooks will automatically download the file into Excel format. So once it's done, open the file using your Microsoft Excel on your computer, and then from there you can edit, analyze, or format the report however you like. So if you're using a QuickBooks desktop, reports can also be exported to Excel by clicking Excel on the toolbar after running a report, and then choosing the create a new worksheet or update an existing one. And that's it. You've successfully connected QuickBooks to Excel by exporting your reports. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.